All right, guys, so as you know, we are now in the house and we bought a couple of trees to plant in our backyard so that they can start growing. Chief wants us to play so bad. Chief, come here. He has his own little hole over there.
That's for his tree.
That's for his tree, yeah, he's helping us. So, Chaz is digging this hole. We have a couple of red maples. I'm sorry, we have autumn blaze maples. They are hybrids between red maples and silver maples. Chief, come here. Bring your ball. So anyway, we are going to plant 2 of them here in the backyard, and please excuse our yard. We have not mowed in a while, and we actually need to buy a mower because Chaz has a push mower that is old school. Not even, you know, electric or gas operated. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Okay. No, 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 no. Okay, he should be better now. But anyway, so yeah, the plan is to put 2 autumn blaze maples in the back corners, and then right in the middle we are going to put a flowering dogwood. That's the plan anyway. If it's not a dogwood, that's fine. I just love the look of those types of trees, but I want something that's white and flowering right here. I don't know, we also talked about putting maybe like a fruit tree somewhere. We do have this little spot back here. Please excuse the mess in our yard, but this is right outside of our bedroom window, and we thought maybe putting like a fruit tree out here somewhere would be fun. We are in Florida, and citrus trees grow really well here, so we did see some grapefruit, lemon, and orange trees at Lowe's, so we might put one maybe in this area here, but I guess I should probably go help Chaz. By the way, we did get new phones today, so right now I am using my Galaxy S9 Plus. Usually I use my camera, but I decided to give this a try today. So yeah, how's it going, Boo?
That's good. Trying to save some of this grass so we can use it somewhere else. Look at all this sand.
Yeah, so check out this. This is sandy soil. It's like straight up sand from the beach. But apparently these trees do well in this kind of soil, or sand rather. So that's what we're gonna try to do and hope they survive. Stay. You got sand all over your nose, you silly. Ready? I'm throwing this left-handed. Cut me some slack. Oh, that didn't go very far, but good catch. Alright, so I'm checking to see if these trees are aligned. And they're not exact. Maybe they are. They're pretty darn close. No, I think it looks good, Boo. I think it looks good. Wow, the moon is so bright already.
Oh yeah. Wow. Where are we at? Which direction are we facing?
We face...
Do we face north?
Well, I'm facing west. I'm sorry, I'm facing east, you're facing west.
How do you know? Does it tell you on
because this is north.
It tells you?
No, the sun rises on this side.
So the sun's setting over there?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, guys, so this is the mower that I was telling you about. Hey, babe.
Yeah.
Who is this?
John Steer.
This is John Steer. So as of right now, this is the lawnmower that we have, guys. Babe, you want to show them what it looks like when you mow?
Yeah.
Because, I mean, our lawn absolutely needs it right now. So.
Oh, half of it does.
Oh my gosh. By the way, we were using that chair to see if we wanted to place a tree there. Huh?
You see all the high weeds?
Oh, hold on. Let me get down low. All right. Oh.
I'll show you how good it works.
All right. Let's see it. I think I'm too far away. Yeah, good job, babe.
Yeah.
Looking awesome.
It's just going to take 3 days.
Hey, that's not nice.
Is that straight?
All right, we're just about done. Great job today, Boo.
Thanks.
Thank you, my handyman.
Yeah, I've never done this before,
Yeah.
but it feels cool.
Yeah.
Nice
We
work.
just planted our first 2 trees.
Given
I love it. So we got a crepe myrtle for the front lawn, and then we also got one for the back. So it's gonna look so cute with our little house. I love it.
got a new lawnmower too.
Yeah. All right, so I have Chaz on another project.
Yeah.
He is screening in our back porch, and I don't know if I've shared this with you guys or not yet, but this is our back porch. Please excuse the mess. We are still working, and this is not what it's going to look like when it's done, but he is screening in our back porch. So we have some wood up there for the frame, and then you can see that this one over here is coming together. And right now, before he can move along with this section, he needs to go ahead and put the door in. So right now he's working on that. And then basically we're going to put the screen on after it is all painted. We're going to paint it white.
Yeah.
So
What's
that's
cool is
that's going to be my job this week while he's at work.
wedge these in so they're temporary. I can knock them out if we were to extend the back porch and re-screen it in. Jesse's dad gave me the idea. He'd done it before, so he told me how to do it. So yeah, I made the frame, and then I take the screen that I got at Lowe's, and I just roll it down, staple it, and then roll it down and staple it, and then all of a sudden you have a screened-in porch.
Yeah. And it's a lot cheaper to do it this way, you know, before we spend a couple $1,000s to get it screened in professionally. Now this is going to be nice though, because like he said, it is temporary. So, you know, if we decide that we wanted to change something on it, we can definitely do so before we kind of figure out what we want as our final permanent screen.
I had to buy this all, but
yeah.
you know, if you already have that, all the wood and materials to screen in the whole porch, and the door and the screen, everything came out to like $400. So $400 for a screen-in porch, you can't
beat that. Yeah.
You gotta do all the work yourself.
Right, which you love though.
Yeah.
So, and then once all of that is done and painted and up, then we have our wicker patio set right here. That we've had for a few years, actually for quite some time. But we have to put that together, and that'll go over on this side right here. And it comes with a table and everything. So that will be over there, and I'll probably get some kind of cute rug, outdoor rug, to put underneath it over here. And then I have a citronella candle to put on top. And then this side, I'm not really sure what I want to do yet. I'm almost thinking like a bistro set. I don't know, just for something cute and different. And then that way, I don't know, there's plenty of seating for everyone, but it'll look kind of, you know, just kind of cute and fun out here. This is kind of going to be like my bright color space, since the inside of our house is mostly neutral. And then eventually what Chaz and I want to do is build out a patio area from here to go out into a fire pit and built-in grill area. So, Chief, this is his like one dig spot.
Dude.
So,
The dust is flying all over.
I know.
It's so dry.
It is. But I figure, you know, like, may as well have him dig in one spot than dig holes all over the yard. So, I don't know. But thanks, Chief. As long as you stay in one spot. What's on your nose? Aww.
The sand, what is it? Sand stash.
A sand stash?
Yeah.
Let me know if you need me.
Okay.
I'm going to be inside where it's nice and cool. Did you want anything to drink?
Not yet.
Chief, are you happy?
He's trying to contain
He's so excited to be going on a walk.
it. Oh, yeah.
He actually found his leash.
Yeah,
On
we
his
didn't know
own.
where it was.
No.
He knew. He remembered. He's like, that's my walking thing.
Mm-hmm. A walking thing.
Let's see, which way do we want to go?
Let's go to
Left?
the left up that sidewalk.
He's so cute.
Chief.
He's so cute. You feel better? He's so cute.
Better now that he's smiling. Oh, that's a good boy. We
He's so
love you.
cute.
Wish we could just stay in bed all day. How's it coming, Boo?
Good.
Yeah. It's looking good. Please excuse our mess. So the structure is up, and now we're just painting it. And then the screen will just need to be tacked on, and then we can make this all look nice and pretty. So it'll get there. We have stuff everywhere, but that's part of the process.
Yeah, we got to paint all.
Yeah. I am actually putting together our rocking chairs for the front porch this morning.
All right, so we have the rocking chairs completed. We are just sweeping off the porch so that we can sit and test them out.
Yeah.
Need to get like some sweet tea or something. This is Jessie's plants that she. They make me sneeze. Yeah,
I know, they turned out so good.
they did. They're precious.
So pretty. I love them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Originally, you wanted the sweet potato vine.
Potato vine, yeah.
Yeah.
But they didn't have it when we went. Or I think they did, but it was the purple one. But I wanted the bright green, like the lime green. So I found this. I honestly don't remember what it's called though. And then I have some elephant ears. Yes, it has some purple flowers with it. I'm not really sure, but I love them. They're beautiful.
Yeah.
Now I've stepped in the mulch. Now I have to keep them in.
Yeah, I love those. You did a great job.
Thanks, baby.
Yeah, and then she's got a mini one right here. Very good. And then we planted that little tree right there. What's this one called, Jesse?
A red rocket crepe myrtle.
Red rocket. All right. Oh, that looks awesome. Yeah.
All right, so we decided that we wanted to go to the beach today, and it's
Yeah.
raining.
Look at my hair. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I need a haircut. This humidity just like makes my hair curl like crazy. And it's just really long, so I should probably get it cut tomorrow. But today, we're relaxing, going to the beach.
Well,
Not looking too good.
not looking too good. Yeah, I'm not sure if this is going to work out to be a beach day, Boo Bear.
I don't know. Look how low the helicopter is. Oh, look at all these people lining up.
Oh, yeah.
On the boardwalk.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh. They're all leaving.
Look at it. It's lightening up, boo.
Well, all of our beach stuff is so sad back there, though. Yeah.
It's alright. It's alright. There's so much traffic, everybody's leaving, that by the time we get home, it'd be clear again, so we may as well just stick it out.
I think we might be in luck, Boo.
I know. I was right.
You were right.
I love hearing that.
Whatever. Ah, this is a lot better. Don't you think so, babe?
I think so. I knew it was doing better. And a lot of people have left, so
Yeah.
it actually opened up some spaces. And
Yeah.
it's kind of cooler outside, too.
A little bit, I guess. Yeah, from the rain. Yeah, it's beautiful. I love it here.
What's up, Boo? How you doing?
Hey, good. Just chilling.
Yeah? This umbrella's a lifesaver, huh? We're gonna go to dinner and then head back to the house?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Alright. Love you.
Bye.
Are you saying that to us or to them?